Hey guys, today I thought it would be fun to do a make-ahead Valentine's Day dinner. I love to cook, but the idea of cooking a 4-course meal all on one day can seem kind of daunting. So I like to do all the prep work the day before, which allows me to really just have fun with it and enjoy the process. This is day one, so I'm going to focus on doing all the prep work. The first thing I'm going to prepare is the Mocha Icebox cake. An icebox cake has alternating layers of whipped cream and cookies. It's refrigerated overnight, and the moisture from the whipped cream absorbs into the cookies to create a more cake-like texture. This recipe is from Ina Garten and is normally done in a round cake shape. Since this is for Valentine's Day, I thought it would be nice to do it in a martini glass to give it a more elegant look. Even though I don't need to do the full amount of whipped cream for just 2 martini glasses, I'm going to do the full amount anyways because I know Eric, my husband's going to want to eat the leftover throughout the week. Alright, well these are looking pretty good. I'm going to refrigerate these overnight, and tomorrow I'm going to garnish them with shaved chocolate. Next, I'm going to prepare the first share plate, which is smoked salmon, deviled eggs. I'm going to do 2 share plates in the middle of the table as a cold preparation, so that way I'm not worrying about cooking those in addition to the main entree. I've never made this recipe before, so I'm excited to see how it turns out. The recipe is by Lisa Bryan, who has a blog and YouTube channel called Downshiftology. She focuses on fresh, simple, and seasonal ingredients, and I've been wanting to try one of her recipes for a long time. I'm going to save myself some time by using already cooked and peeled eggs from Costco. I usually use Costco's Kirkland brand of organic pre-cooked hard-boiled eggs because I think they are better quality than other brands, but they were sold out, so I'm using a different brand today. For the egg yolk filling, it looks like I'm going to have to add more mayo than the recipe calls for because I like to have a more creamy consistency. So I'm just going to add as much as needed until it has the consistency of a thick guacamole. The next step is to garnish them with smoked salmon, capers, and fresh dill. But I'm going to do that tomorrow so that the garnishes stay more fresh. The next share plate that I'm going to prepare is roasted shrimp cocktail with basil pesto mayo. This is one of my signature dishes I like to bring to a party because it's very easy to make, but it's also very tasty and elegant. Alright, so I have the dessert and 2 share plates done. Now I'm just going to prepare the main entree, which is a miso glazed Chilean sea bass with a shiitake mushroom soy glaze. This recipe is by Hiroyuki Terada, who is a Michelin star chef and has a YouTube channel called Diaries of a Master Sushi Chef. I like to get Chilean sea bass from Costco because they usually have a large selection. So that way I can take my time and really just pick through them and see which one is the right size and shape for what I need. I usually try to find a piece that is 1 to 1.5 inches thick with mostly even thickness. I'm gonna put this in the fridge and let it marinate overnight. Okay, so today I'm going to do the finishing touches and prepare the final dinner. For the sea bass, I'm gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 18 minutes. Since this is a Valentine's Day dinner, I picked out these light pink roses because I thought they would be really nice for the table. My mom always asks me what to get for my birthday, and so I always tell her to get things I just wouldn't normally get for myself, like this petrified wood serving tray from Crate & Barrel. This is the first time I get to use it, so thanks, Mom. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching that. I really enjoyed making everything and filming it. Overall, the dinner was amazing, but I did want to mention that for the Chilean sea bass, I would have put less sauce on the plate because it is quite potent in terms of salt. Looking back at the YouTube video, I can see that the chef put just a little bit of drizzle versus what I did. Again, the dish was still very good, but if I just had to tweak it for the next time, I would have put less sauce on the plate and put the remaining sauce on the side. Anyways, if you're interested, all the recipes are linked in the description box. As always, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.